everyone. Okay, and in this video I'm starting with the living room. So yeah, I'm first going to put on the art against the wall, and then I'm going to put in the furniture, and I will show you what I use to make the furniture. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this little nice wall art that I made, painting I made. I used that string method with the beads method painting. I will put a video here and show you what I mean about that. I just used a very much smaller scale bead to fit in now for the Barbie thing. I used this beads that you use for nail art. So I used that in this picture here. So I just, the background I painted with normal, just acrylic brown paint. And then the flower decor thing I made with Q-Tex and acrylic paint and even oil paint. I just use a mixture of that stuff, and I just did that with this now. And this frame that is in, it's just a normal old gold picture frame I had that I put that in for. So I'm going to put that up against the wall now. I took it off because everything I'm going to put up higher now against my picture rail. And then the lights I made, I showed before. I used in my first video of my living room. I will put a iCard here somewhere so you can see. I used blind, and then this is just, I think, a cotton paper roll that I just bent to make lights, and then I put some thumbnails in the back here just to put it in the wall. But obviously I'm going to have to make new holes now, because I'm going to also put this higher again. Oh, it's actually very easy. So this there. So now I'm going to take it out and put glue. Okay, so now this wall is finished, so there's no more pasting work. I can just start by putting in the furniture, and I will show you how, if possible, I made the furniture. So let's start with that now. I just start, I think, with a little sweep here to get all the stuff out of this there. Okay, and oh yeah, I actually found the little cup that I used for this cheese. There's the cone cup that you put, they put on a, like a king cone ice cream, or Magnum or Corento or something like that. So yeah, I just put it around, and I just put it a bit of batting here, and then there's the groove I talked about, where I put in the twine and all into all the stuff up, and then underneath I just put some foam board and make holes in it just to get the feet more sturdy. So yes, this is the cup that I used for the chairs, the dining room chairs and the breakfast room chairs. So okay, let's start by the carpet. So there is my carpet. It's just a piece of cloth that I cut to size, and I just rolled it around the edges so it can look like a carpet. And then my first couch is this big one here. It's just mostly cardboard that I put pasted on top of each other, put some batting over it, cover it with material, and this is also just cardboard. And I made these cushions, we filled it with batting, and I worked it with beads. I used just normal needle and thread for the beads, and I sort of just spaced it against the couch so it can come off. And this is just little samples of material I had, and I made the cushions, and luckily this time I sew it and I didn't glue it. And then this little pillow here, it's just little so plastic foam you get. I just roll it up in a tube and then with the material over it. And then for this here I used this like a ribbon with this little flowers on it, so I just cut it out and I just paste it on each end of that. So yeah, for that pillows there. So this little chair is basically made this on the same way. So yeah, and then obviously then I've got these wooden beads that I used for the feet for the couches. So and then the other thing is like this little TV cabinet I made. This is all wood, and I was very proud of this. The drawers can actually open, and then the handles on the drawers is just thumbnails, gold thumbnails that I put in there with glue, obviously. The drawers is also made of wood. This is just craft stick the inside, and then even this little shelf here is craft stick, and then the rest is balsa wood. So yeah, I made this, and I think the back is now it's balsa wood. Everything is balsa wood, so that is for this wall here. And then obviously this is my table that is some part of a computer box, in something inside a computer box. I have no idea what. I think it's something for the fan or whatever, but yeah, most of you will know. And I just sprayed it with gold spray, and this glass I think is actually the glass of this picture here. So there is my center table for this lounge. And then other tables I made is like this little one is just from a compact disc mirror that our ladies use. It's like this one here. It's just a little mirror inside your compact powder or whatever. So I just took it out and put it, and this is just some beads that I pasted here on top of each other. And then this is like a wooden circle. You buy it by crafts, different sizes of circles in a packet. So yeah, this is the largest one, and I think it's also a type of balsa wood, but it's a bit harder than balsa wood, so I don't know what kind of wood is this, but yeah, this is what I used here. I just sprayed it with gold spray. So there's my table for that side there. And then my other table is this one here, which I made just also same compact disc mirror, and then the legs I used this like what bobby pins I think that you put in your hair, and I just bend the points over, just bend it to place it there. The back side some with hot glue, spray this gold, and there is another table. So for this side here, so I must move this up because this is a tight fit, but I want the table here. Okay, and I made this chairs, but I didn't like it from the beginning. I wasn't very fond of this, but I had kept it here because I think that was the legs or something. But this I made out of this little, like a cheese holder, Philadelphia cheese holder, cream cheese holder. I just cut it in half, so then I made 2 chairs of that. But I changed that. I'm going to take this chairs out here. I made some new ottomans for this for the living room here. I think it's much better, and I will put this was my first tutorial that I showed how I made something, so I will put a link here somewhere in one of the corners to show you, to take you to the video where it's my tutorial of how I made this little cute ottomans. I made 2 of them, and I think they're gonna fit in here. Definitely they're gonna fit in here much better than those 2 couches I had. Okay, this is just another cushion as well. This one here. Okay, just move a bit. And then now it's time for the decorations, the ornaments and that stuff. So yeah, the first thing is from this flower pot I made. This is just a normal Colton or something tube roll, paper towel roll, and it's paper. I just put it on a flat surface, um, like a glass surface or something, with hot glue just to seal it underneath. And first I had ribbon around it, but actually I found this among all those stuff I got from my haberdashery, some kind of plastic ending or whatever you can put on clothes or something, I don't know. But I actually liked it so much, and I said to myself, this I want to use in my living room. So I just put it over there, just paste it down over, and I think it looks much nicer now and more like a modern flower pot. And this flowers obviously are like it's that flower leaves carpet thing I have. I take the plastic flowers from there and I just put it in here for flowers. So there is my flowers on this table. And then on the other table, yeah, I have this little flowers. I actually got this from, I bought some dinosaurs for my the boys' room, and I have this little trees inside, but which I used for just a greenery for like a fern type of flower thing, something. So that's how I made this. And this little glass holder is this little small glass holders you get with a cork top, and I just sprayed it with frosting spray and put masking tape, and then spray the top with gold spray to make it look gold. So yeah, it's the same like I used for in the study. So I'm going to put on this table. Yeah, okay, this table fall down now because I knew this is actually not really space for that, but I want it there. Okay, and then on that side there, I made my TV. The TV is just normal, I think cardboard, or actually like a plywood something. It's normally behind the picture, in the picture frames. I use that board there. And then just this was a print out from one of these free printables from like Simple Kids Craft or Froggy Stuff, or there's another one I can't remember the name. And then you see like there's the back side of the TV and then the front side of the TV, and I just put plastic here and I just cover it with black insulation tape. And then the stand actually comes from like this is that 1 to 12 scale furniture my niece gave me, and it's just because of the grooves, there was something with the grooves inside, so I think I filed it down or something. It's because this fits perfectly over the TV here. I made marks where it must go in. So if I just can get it back in now. There you go. So yeah, and I just used a delve stick at the back with hot glue just to make it more sturdy. And then this is a little red bead for your TV light. So yeah, there's my TV. So other ornaments. Okay, so this is just plastic, like this plastic toys, animals for children that you also buy in like packets like this dinosaurs. And I just spray this elephant, sprayed it with gold spray, and there is a ornament for this little shelf here. And then as well as these two here, this is just a bead I used, and I just put little sequins on the bead. And I used the same leaves here, just the leaves there, to put some flowers, like I tried to make it look like little succulents there. So yeah, that's for next to the elephant. And then okay, then lastly I've got this little, it's also just a bead I had, and I just put it hot glue on the flat surface underneath, and on the top I used leaves from something I really can't remember. I think it's this leaves of this little flower that's in here. I just put some leaves in there. You will see now against this wall, this wall art here, it's just normal, like that sample blinds that I cut out to size, and I just put it there through, I think it was also cotton. And this is for book binders I used, and I pasted against this wall as well for wall art. And then this little lampshade is the same way as this here, just half circle. But this, I think I used bottle rings for this. I cut it in half, and then the blind. So yeah, that is now everything in my living room. And I actually think these two ottomans came out very nice, real cute and beautiful. It's much better than this chairs I had the year before. I didn't like this chairs at all. It's too old, was too old-fashioned for me. I think that's the biggest problem with those chairs. It's too old-fashioned for me. So yeah, that's finished now. So my living room and dining room area is now finished. So now I can go to my kitchen and start at my kitchen now. There's a little bit more work I think has to be done in my kitchen. So yeah, but please, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, push that like button, please. And just next to the like button, you will see that big old red subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, and then you will can see more of my videos if you like this video. And yeah, the little clocky bell, if you find next to that, press on that one as well. So every time I load up a video, we'll get a notification, which is definitely at least one time a week, maybe mostly 2 times a week. I load up videos, and because I enjoy this so much. So yeah, if you have family or friends who would be interested in something like this or would like something like this, please share my video to anyone you know that would like something like this. So yeah, I'm actually very proud of how this turned out now, and that I could show you how I made the stuff. I like that as well. And until next time, bye.